All right, guys, I'm going to finally do it. I'm going to install this ladder rack on my Ford Maverick back there, and I had bought this a while ago, but I'm finally getting around to installing it. So let's give it a shot. Let me show you what it is. All right, it's this ladder rack Hallmaster from the Harbor Freight. Item is 64793. They have a few, Harbor Freight's got a few different items that look a lot alike, but they might be different just by a little bit. But if you want to know, that's the exact number. And this is a semi-permanent mount if you want to clamp it, or you could drill it. I do want to go with the no drill option, and we're going to see how that works on my Ford Maverick. And of course, I have to take off the tonneau cover. All right, that's what it looks like in the box. Here are the instructions. We'll see how that goes. All right, so here's the first problem I've encountered, and it's these J-hooks. They're just too big. The Maverick's just too small for it, so I gotta see what I can do. So I got these J-hooks. I was looking for some 1/2 inch, but all the 1/2 inches were 6 inches long, which is too long. So I got a 3/8, but it should be fine. So basically it'll look like that, and I'll use the washers that the set came with to secure it in. So what's happening is that it's not really even. It's got this little lump here, and it's forcing this thing to do this. So if it was flat, I think it's possible, but it's not flat because the clamp is on the edge. So if you clamp in the middle, it's more possible. Well, this is going to be a failure. I think you really have to drill down into the frame if you want to use this type of rack, and I'm just not ready to drill today. So for now, I'm a failure, and I got this rack now.